The issue is verifying and vetting prospective candidates for employment at your law firm. What are the best tools and techniques? Because you know when you do an interview with a candidate, they wear their best Sunday best, they look great, they smile, they make eye contact. You come away from that feeling great. Their resume looks fantastic. You check their references and they're glowing about the employee. So you're convinced that you're about to hire the next superstar employee of your law firm. But here's the problem. None of those things count worth anything. So what can you do to make sure, and this is a mistake that I've made many times, what you can do to ensure that the candidate is the real deal. Number one, start with a shadow day. Have very specific tasks that you want the employee to do. Pay for one day for them to come into your office before you hire them and say, here are 2 or 3 simple things that you want them to do. Before you ask them to do it, ask them how to describe how they would do each task. Find out what they knew, what they know, and then have them do it without the benefit of you guiding them or telling them what to do. See how they do. See what the quality of their work product is. So for example, if you need a paralegal to prepare a response to interrogatories, give them a set of interrogatory demands, ask them to fill out the responses, and come to you later that morning with a completed response to interrogatories. You'll be able to see how meticulous and detail-oriented they are. Can they work without your supervision? These are really important things to know before you hire them. So you've identified 2 or 3. And by the way, you could identify the same 2 or 3 tasks for every prospective paralegal or legal secretary candidate that you have. Run them through the tests, grade them on how they perform, and you will know there's no more bluffing. They either can do the work without supervision or they can't. And what is the quality of their work? Do they have very meticulous? Are they detail-oriented? It's a great way of knowing. A shadow day is indispensable to this process and something that I've neglected for a long time. Another thing that is recommended is personality testing. So DISC is a personality test because you as the law firm owner are a visionary. You have big goals and dreams. But for many of us, you don't actually like doing the work. And what you need is somebody who works for you who doesn't have the same qualities that you have, that they're not a visionary with big dreams, they are a doer. Somebody who grinds it out, gets paperwork done, and accomplishes stuff so that you can go on dreaming. And how do you know that you found the right person to fit that profile? Personality testing. So DISC is one of the personality tests. Is the person a dreamer? Is the person a doer? Are they analytical? Are they compassionate and loving? There's about 4 major personality profiles, and you won't know who they are or what they are until you do the personality testing. There's also a product that's called the Hiring MRI, and this is a very good product that we use from time to time to test our candidates. And it's just sort of another personality test that assesses what type of personality the person has. So that's recommended. Run them through the personality test. Check their typing. You can do that online. You want to know how many words per minute they can type. Check their computer skills. There's all kinds of online computer skills where they will be graded out. Because the reality is, until you put them to the test, you have no idea if their resume and their interview and their references are nothing less than a sham. So that's my advice. Be very careful. Do not be quick to hire. Go through all these tests, and this will be the only way that you can ensure that you're hiring the right person for the job. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share the video with anyone who you think might get value from it, and I will see you tomorrow.